Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best picnic baskets. Here are the top 3 picnic baskets that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Willow Picnic Basket. This picnic basket is an eco-friendly alternative to plastic and paper. This basket is made of willow twigs, which are woven together by hand to create a sturdy basket shape. These picnic baskets have been used for centuries as an item in the traditional picnic basket. Its material is durable and perfect for carrying items without getting wet or dirty. These baskets are made by hand in the USA with organic cotton fabric, natural dyes, and no lacquer or varnish. At number 2. Good Gain Woodchip Picnic Basket with double folding handles. This picnic basket is made from durable, natural wood chips and has a beautiful design. It's perfect for picnics in the park or on the beach, as well as road trips and camping expeditions. Its handles are designed to fold flat when not in use so you can store it easily. It has a removable tray to keep your food separate from the rest of your items. This product also comes with a 1-year warranty. At number 1. Picnic Basket by California Picnic Store. This natural woven woodchip picnic basket with double folding handles is perfect for a day at the park. It has an insulated interior that will keep your food and drinks cold all day long. Its wicker exterior is easy to clean, so you can use it again and again. You'll have plenty of room for snacks or even a light meal in this 16-inch by 10-inch by 8-inch picnic basket. This basket is equipped with 2 folding handles, one on each side, which makes it easier to carry by hand or attach to a bicycle. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.